Welcome. This is a product overview of ComplianceForge's CMMC Bundle 1, the documentation bundle for Cybersecurity Maturity Model Certification 2.0 Level 1 and FAR 52.204.21. Over the next few minutes, we will walk through what is in the bundle, who it is for, and how it compares to writing this documentation yourself. The CMMC Level 1 bundle includes 2 ComplianceForge products for those needing to demonstrate compliance with CMMC Level 1. It is a one-time purchase of $3,000, with email delivery within 1 to 2 business days. If a prime contractor or the Department of Defense asked you to show CMMC 2.0 Level 1 and FAR 52.204.21 compliance today, could you produce the documentation, or would you be assembling it from a blank page? CMMC Bundle 1 gives you a running start. It is scoped to Level 1 and FAR 52.204.21. for organizations handling federal contract information or FCI. It is ready to tailor rather than author, getting you roughly 80 to 90% of the way there from day one. The bundle contains editable policies, standards, and procedures. The 17 requirements in CMMC Level 1 are based on 15 basic cybersecurity requirements found in FAR 52.204.21. The issue with that structure is that it is not conducive to making quality cybersecurity documentation. To address that weakness, the documentation leverages the Secure Controls Framework, also known as the SCF. Since NIST IR 8477, Set Theory Relationship Mapping provides detailed justification for how SCF controls address both FAR 52.204.21 and CMMC Level 1 requirements. There is also coverage for FAR 52.204.27 and FAR Section 889, since those are clauses you will likely need to address already. They focus on not using prohibited technologies. The policies, standards, and procedures also add in SCF Core Fundamentals controls to provide reasonable cybersecurity practices that fill in a lot of gaps from CMMC Level 1 and FAR 52.204.21. The reason is that CMMC Level 1 and FAR 52.204.21 were never meant to be a standalone cybersecurity program. The U.S. government's expectation is that contractors have an existing cybersecurity program in place, and these requirements are just existing practices. Being an editable document, you can easily delete the SCF Core Fundamentals content if you do not want it. But realistically, you need those fundamental requirements if you do not already have them in place. So who is this bundle for? It provides focused documentation for organizations that handle federal contract information, but do not handle controlled unclassified information, or CUI. If you need to address CUI requirements, then the NIST 800-171 Compliance Program, the NCP, is the most appropriate solution for your needs. This bundle is intentionally focused and lightweight. Organizations that only need FCI-level protection can use it as an efficient, cost-effective path to compliance without the overhead of full NIST 800-171 documentation. The bundle is a one-time purchase of editable Microsoft Office-based documentation templates. There is no software to install, no agent to deploy, no account to provision, and no cloud environment to configure. Everything is delivered as fully editable Word and Excel files, compatible with Word 2016 and newer, Microsoft 365, OpenOffice, LibreOffice, and Google Docs and Sheets. All documents in the bundle are delivered via email download link within 1 to 2 business days of purchase, with all products arriving together. There is no installer, no license server, and no activation step. A single entity license is included, and the bundle price is a one-time charge. Optional update subscriptions are available for individual products as frameworks evolve. This deployment model is intentional. Cybersecurity documentation benefits from being in the organization's own hands, inside your own version control and document management systems, rather than locked inside a vendor's SaaS tool. Once delivered, every document in this bundle belongs to you. Organizations face a common pattern when building cybersecurity documentation. Individual products solve individual problems, but real programs need multiple documentation layers working together. The first challenge is scattered documentation. Policies, procedures, and risk programs need to work together, and the bundle provides coordinated documentation sets that reference each other correctly. The second is program stand-up time. Standing up a cybersecurity program requires documentation across multiple domains, and the bundle covers multiple domains at once, compressing those timelines. And the third is audit completeness. Audits and customer questionnaires typically ask for documentation across multiple domains, and the bundle ensures no gaps in the documentation set that auditors review. The CMMC Bundle 1 addresses those challenges with a pre-assembled, coordinated set of products at a discount. Every product in the bundle was designed by ComplianceForge to work together. Cross-references between products are consistent, and no conflicting guidance exists across documents. Every document is written to withstand scrutiny by external assessors, mapped to leading frameworks with footnoted references throughout. And ComplianceForge processes most orders the same business day, with all products arriving together. So what is included? The CMMC Bundle 1 combines two ComplianceForge products into a single bundle. Each product remains independently licensed, but they are delivered together as one coordinated set. The first is the CMMC version of the Cybersecurity and Data Protection Program, the CDPP, covering policies and standards. This version is exclusive to the CMMC Bundle 1, and it is as streamlined as we have been able to make it for those needing to demonstrate compliance with CMMC Level 1. The second is the CMMC version of the Cybersecurity Standardized Operating Procedures, the CSOP. This version is likewise exclusive to the bundle, and it answers the how question, with step-by-step procedures matching the policies and standards. Now compare the bundle against the two alternatives for obtaining quality cybersecurity documentation. For your internal staff to generate comparable documentation, it would take them an estimated 1,000 internal staff work hours, which equates to a cost of approximately $94,500 in staff-related expenses. That is about 12 to 24 months of development time where your staff would be diverted from other work. If you hire a consultant, it would take an estimated 700 contractor work hours, which equates to a cost of approximately $222,000. That is about 9 to 18 months of development time. The CMMC Bundle 1 is approximately 6% of the cost for your internal staff, and approximately 3% of the cost for an external consultant to generate equivalent documentation. The bundle itself is $3,000. How much work is left for you? ComplianceForge aims for approximately an 80 to 90% solution, because it is impossible to write a 100% cookie-cutter document that can be equally applied across every organization. In practice, customization across all products in this bundle is essentially filling in the blanks, adding your company name and logo, which is applied automatically to every document in the bundle. Tailoring parameters such as review cadences and thresholds. Naming specific owner roles. And removing sections that do not apply to your organization. If you want a hand, ComplianceForge offers optional professional services. They are not required to customize ComplianceForge documentation. The 5-hour bundle may be beneficial for companies that need some guidance on getting started with how to tailor their documentation. The 10-hour bundle is for companies that need additional guidance on tailoring their documentation to meet their compliance requirements. And the 20-hour bundle is for companies that need robust services beyond just 10 hours to assist in tailoring their documentation. Purchased professional service hours expire 120 days, or 4 months, from the time of purchase if unused. Hours are intended to supplement, not replace, your own customization work. The CMMC Bundle 1 is built around CMMC 2.0 Level 1 and FAR 52, 204, 21. Every product in the bundle is aligned with the framework, and cross-references between documents use consistent CMMC taxonomy throughout. If your organization needs to address multiple frameworks at once, the SCF Bundle 2, the robust documentation solution, provides broader coverage across 200+ laws, regulations, and frameworks. One last note. The CMMC Bundle 1 covers the most common configuration, but every organization's needs are different. ComplianceForge will build a custom bundle for any combination of products if your requirements differ from the standard bundles. Just contact ComplianceForge directly with a list of the products you need and your timeline. Custom bundles typically receive comparable discount pricing to the standard bundles. If you have any questions, please email support@complianceforge.com or call 1-307-241-8740. We've been helping organizations since 2005, and we are always happy to help.